Hello guys, my name is Kels and I want to show you my drone. I actually bought the DJI A3s, the Fly More combo, and I want to show you everything it comes with and how I fly it and what the footage looks like. So stay tuned and see this. So let's get straight to the drone. So this is the charging hub and it comes with 3 batteries. So I usually charge it from here. I charge it directly from this place. I don't know if you can see it. So you can charge it with your Type-C chargers and all that. And then this is the ROC2. This is the controller. The ROC2 comes with ROC2 and is well made, is very good. And this is, let me open it. So these are your lens filter. Is actually very good and well made. It's very good. I use it for different weathers. It depends on how the weather looks, and then I would know the one to pick from here, especially if you're shooting on D-Log. That's when you get to appreciate the stuffs you're seeing here. And then we have the additional propellers they give you. When you buy the Fly More combo, you get this additional propellers, which is really nice. See how it looks. I don't know if you can see it. And then we have the drone right here. So this is the gimbal protector. As you can see here, I will just take it off so you can see it very well. This is the gimbal protector. So this protects your gimbal. Look at it. This is the gimbal protector. It comes with the A3s. I think it also comes with probably all the DJI drones. So this is the gimbal protector. And this one right here is the drone A3s. See what it looks like. See what it looks like. Look at the sensors here. Look at one sensor here. This is another sensor, and there's another one below. Look at these sensors here. This sensor, and this is a light. This is a light in case you're flying in a dark place and you want to the light doesn't turn on until you're bringing it down, like you're flying down, or maybe you want to land, then the light turns on so you can see where you're landing and all that. And this is the camera. Look at this. It comes with 2 cameras, and these cameras are really nice. Trust me, these cameras are very clean when flying this drone. So right now I will show you how to fix everything up and how I set everything up before flying my drone. So let's get straight into it as well. So watch carefully just in case you want to learn how to fly the drone. So flying the drone is not really that hard. If you watch carefully, you might grab 1 or 2 things in this video just in case you want to learn how to fly the drone. Let's get into it. So you go like this, you go like this, and then you go like this and like this. So I just opened I just unfolded the drone right now. So this is the battery. I have to insert the battery right now. So this is how I do it. Let's shift these ones this side. It's not really needed for now. So this is how I get the battery out. If you want to bring out this battery from here, you have to click here, you press here, and then you bring up one. So this is the battery, and then the battery is out and we have to put it here. Look at this. See this? That's where you insert the battery. So I will insert the battery right now. So I'm doing that. Yeah, the battery has clicked. And also I forgot to tell you, this drone comes with this is where you insert your memory card in there. I don't know if you can see it. You insert your memory card in there. So that's where you insert your memory card. Then we close it. We're good to go. So the drone is there. Now this is my controller, and as you can see, the controls are not there. It's actually behind here. Look at where it is. These are what I will use. So I have to bring it out one after another, bringing it out, and then you have to tighten it here. Look at this place. You tighten this thing here. You tighten it here, and then the other one you tighten it here. Good. So remember this. If you want to fly your drone, you're going to first of all turn on the controller. This is your controller. do not turn on the drone before the controller. No, you have to turn on your controller first. And how do you turn on the controller? You click on this one and then you hold it. Now it's turning on. Look, it's turning on. Can you see it? So the controller is turning on. So I have to keep my controller on before I turn on the drone, because you might actually turn on your drone and then someone else will connect to it and then your drone will fly away. You know, it's funny actually, but it can actually happen. It can happen. So make sure your controllers are on before you turn on your drone, so that immediately you turn on your drone, it will connect to your controller. Do you understand? Let's turn on the drone right now. So this is where you turn on your drone. Look at this button here. See that button? You see that button there? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that's where you turn on your drone. So you click on it and then you click again. It's okay. You see that? Good. Did you hear that sound? Good. It shows that your drone is on. So right now the drone is turned on. So this is how you turn on your drone and all that. So I'll show you the screen of my controller. So this is the screen. This is what I'm seeing. So can you see? So this is the screen of my controller and that is what it looks like. So this drone is very beautiful actually. I teach people how to fly drones as well. Just in case you want to learn how to fly drone, you can actually DM me and then we'll talk about that as well. So let me show you the footage, what this drone can do, and the footage. I stay around Owerri, so I'll show you some footage around Owerri, the ones I was able to cover. And secondly, I forgot to tell you this. For those of you who are new in flying drones, you don't fly drones anywhere you see, you just want to fly your drones. No, there are regulations. You cannot fly your drone everywhere, because there are places you're going to do that, you will get in trouble. So please avoid flying your drone anywhere. Before you fly your drone, make sure that particular place is allowed. You are allowed to fly drones, those places. You should always avoid government residential areas. Don't fly your drones close to a government house, close to the police station, the military base. Do not try it. You will definitely regret it. You will regret it, to be honest with you. Don't ever try it. So before you fly your drone, make sure the place is okay and drones are allowed there. You understand? So let me show you the footage from this drone and all that. So you can as well call me for your wedding, for any event you have, and I can come fly drones for you and we can talk about that. Okay, so let me show you the footages from the DJI A3. You will love it. Trust me, you will love it. Okay, let's get straight into it.
Let me show you
the view from the sky. Let's go.